Take 100,000. Hi, everybody. I'm Mrs. Hughes, and this is the first time we've done open house where I'm just on a video. I will tell you, this is not my first one. It's really hard to talk to yourself in a room knowing that there's no one there. So anyway, let me introduce myself. I am Kyle Hughes. I have been a teacher here at CSMTech for the past 28 years, I think is the current year. Mike Olson and I started this program many years ago. We actually were at OTC Northwest the first 10 years we were here. Anyway, little bit about me. I am also the lead of the coach of the robotics team, Team Rush. And I truly believe that learning also happens outside the classroom. So in my classroom, what I want to do is take mathematics and connect it to all those cool and wonderful things that are going on outside. So math everywhere, that's kind of one of my philosophies. So we're going to have a great semester. I'm super excited about our Algebra 2 students and our Algebra 2 class because we doubled our enrollment this year, which is amazing. And that's exciting because we can do more things with them. And so we're looking forward to that this year. As far as my syllabus is concerned, most of you have already signed the syllabus and have turned it in. I primarily want kids to write in a quadrilled notebook with pencil. And that's really, I'm going to try teaching them some skills on how to take notes and how to study. Here at CSMTech, a lot of our incoming students have never had to study before. And something that you're going to hear from them is maybe that they're struggling a little bit. And they're struggling because they've never really learned the art of how to study. And so we're going to try to bridge that gap for them. But it's always hard, and learning something new can be difficult. So I firmly am a firm believer of growth mindset. I believe you should fail faster, learn more, focus, and execute. And so if your student fails, I tell them that they need to find out why they failed. Maybe it was just that they got a problem wrong. Why did they get that problem wrong? So that they can connect and use their brain to connect it, make it stronger so that they don't make that mistake again. I don't mind if they fail and make mistakes. I just want them to do it only once and not to continue to do it over and over again. So as far as classroom expectations, I expect your kids to come and be active learners and inquirers and problem solvers. And I want them to come in ready and prepared. CSMTech can be a lot of fun. It can also be very challenging. Let's get back to those students who've never learned how to study. Many of them hit the wall second semester, maybe 10th grade. In the 10th grade class, they hit the wall. They hit the wall because they've never been challenged like we're going to challenge them, and we will challenge them. So be patient with them. Be patient with us. Work with us. We tell the students that that's the team. Their team is their parents and the teachers to help support them. And if we ever need to have a meeting with your student, we will expect your student to be at that meeting as well so that they can also advocate for themselves and start talking about where they're at so we can learn how to help them. So I think that's pretty much just about everything that I needed to say. This is the first time I've ever done this way in my 31 plus years of teaching. So I hope you weren't too bored. I hope I kept it exciting enough. Sorry there aren't more takes and different things and screenshots, but I literally just needed to get all this out to you. So I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to meeting you all at parent conferences. Please realize parent conferences, everybody wants to meet the CSMTech teachers of the new students that are here. I have every student in CSMTech pretty much except for a few now. So the lines may be long if we're doing it in person. And if we are, just be patient. I promise I will stay. And if I can't meet you that day, we'll set up an appointment. We can meet another day. So with that, I hope you enjoy your other conferences. And please let me know if there's anything you need from me. Oh, Tech Day. The kids are going to be doing a Rube Goldberg in our next Tech Week. And after that, we're going to have our big Tech Day. So please keep an ear out for when that's going to be. It's going to be before Halloween. and our parent organization is going to need some help because the teachers are going to need some help and support. So hopefully all is good with you. Thank you very much for tuning in and listening. And hopefully I'm trying to keep this short, 5 minutes versus the 10 minutes you would have been sitting in my classroom. So enjoy your evening and have a good one. Thanks.